what she wears to my softball games. Exactly.
I'm Gianna, and this is my sister Antonia, and this is my other sister Natalia.
Hi. Our mom is a true superhero.
She's the least selfish person I know. Everything she does is for everyone else. About 5 years ago, my dad suffered a really bad stroke. And not only did she have to care for my dad, but she had to care for our entire family.
She will go to work for 14 days in a row without a break. Every weekend, she tries to get shifts so that she can earn enough money to keep the house over our head and food on the table. She's always running or going to pick up my dad's prescriptions or trying to make it to my softball games, even if it is just one inning.
As long as everyone has what they need, my mom is always happy.
She's incredibly important. She's vital. I don't know what we do without her.
We wanted to give my mom a makeover because of how we feel when she dresses the way she does. My mom's style is definitely comfortable. She likes to hide herself behind all the layers of clothes.
My mom has gradually gotten more casual as the years gone on, but definitely 5 years ago when my dad had the stroke, it definitely put a stop to all chances of her dressing up.
In her closet, there are clothes from the 80s. These are like the many styles of sweatpants that she has, actually. I've never seen my mom in the dress, no.
My mom works at a hospital called Health South. She's a rehab nurse, and my mom has no idea what's about to happen. She thinks we're all busy today. She has no idea we're about to go and surprise her and give her the biggest surprise ever.
Mom, we have a huge surprise for you.
Yes, what is it?
Play the message, Doug.
Look at the screen.
Hey, Christine, it's me, Rach. You know, your daughters have been cooking up a little something special for you just in time for Mother's Day. You're always taking care of everybody else, and now it's time that you take care of yourself. We're gonna give you a total makeover. Come on down to New York City. We can't wait to see you.
Thank you.
Are you crying?
Stop crying.
I feel I'm thankful. I'm thankful for my children for thinking about me. I'm embarrassed because I need a makeover. And I know there's a lot of people out there that could benefit from a makeover. So I feel very blessed that I was picked for one. Thank you so much. Thank you, girls.
She deserves this more than anybody I know.
She goes the extra mile to be sweet and kind to every person she meets.
She really deserves this. She works hard for her daughters and for her husband.
I'm very excited. At first, I was really nervous when you came in here. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm excited to see the new me.
I'm gonna talk super fast because I have not peeked, I haven't seen her, and I'm dying to. We are back with Mally Roncal and the entire family of a very deserving mom who's been backstage with the mother of all makeovers. So Christine's family is here. Christine is our deserving mom who came in with literally broken glasses with only one arm on in her sweatpants.
Yes.
Our whole family is up here, super excited. Anthony, I just hit, I'm sorry, Anthony. Antonia, Gianna, and Natalia, they're the ones that nominated mom to begin with because she's so deserving. I am dying. You guys did not peek, right?
Nope.
Nope.
No. Mally, how did it go?
This might be the best one we've ever done.
All right, let's shut up and get her out of here. Come on,
Sorry.
she's gonna leave the studio. You look 20 years old. Look over there.
I feel great. I really do.
Honestly, you look 20, 25. Does she not? She looks like your sister.
It's studio crew. You're fantastic here. This is
Yes,
why.
darn it.
They did it to me. And Mally did it to everybody.
Amazing. I know, Look at this guy. He's so proud. He's like,
Rachel, I feel like this is like an outer
You're
body.
gorgeous.
It's like an outer body experience.
Unbelievable.
I've
No, that's all
this
you.
Before, and it's just
What do you
amazing.
think?
I'm trying to get used to the look. Like I keep looking at myself because I can't. Yeah, with the glare.
And you keep freaking out, right?
Yes, I am.
Mally.
Yes.
What the heck?
I know. This one blew us all away. We were in.
She looks 12 years old.
She sure does.
I'm
She
actually
absolutely
very
does.
self-conscious, but it's a cool outfit, isn't it?
It's a great